gusto po nating marinig, ano po yung core na specialization po ninyo?
Doctor ako sa USA. I'm based in Connecticut. I've been a doctor for the past 20 years. Well, I own a primary care clinic. Specialties ko po ay in internal medicine, aesthetic medicine, geriatric medicine, hospice and palliative medicine. Wow! So for the past 10 years, I've been drinking antioxidant water. And then I was surprised na meron pa palang mas tataas pa sa antioxidant water, and that was JC Organic Barley. Scroll ako ng Facebook page ni Regina. Regina and I are related in law. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, bakit meron kang picture ka back-to-back ni Ding Dong? So my husband is a lawyer in New York. Pero naka-base na kami ngayon sa Connecticut. Naunang mag-step 1, naunang mag-sign up yung husband ko during a GBO in New York. The entire family was there to attend the GBO. And then my son suddenly said, Mom, I'm not interested to listen to this kasi nakatagalog lahat. Sabi ko, John, you have your learner's permit now in driving. Gusto mo ba ng car? Sabi niya, okay, I'm just gonna
And si attorney mo na yung unang nag-sign up. Okay.
And then, it was a Saturday. And then I asked GL Regina, anong gagawin ng Team Ireland on Monday? Kasi Tuesday sila babalik ng Ireland. Kasi that was a Saturday and they were planning another GBO in New York that Sunday. So if you come to Connecticut, I can gather people for you.
Did you decide, Doc, na dapat may account ka rin?
Si attorney kasi, he's a silent type, introvert, pero matalino siya. But he had the money. So, siya yung nauna. Sabi ko, teka, kung may JC wallet, nakapangalan sa'yo, hindi naman sa akin. So, wala akong kikitain, ikaw lahat, ako yung lalakad. So, sabi ko sa kanya, I have set aside my own money. Why don't I just sign up for a diamond franchise as well?
Wow!
So, pareho kaming naka-diamond. That's Leon, Attorney Leon, and this is me. So, I'm protecting my children's future.
Wow.
Kasi kung may mangyari man sa akin, since JC Organic Barley and JC Premier's franchise is inheritable,
Wow.
Doon, that was very, very enticing for me to sign up for the package.
Yes. Galing.
Yung nag-stand out, bakit na-appreciate niyo yung business kayo ni attorney at pinasok po ninyo? Kasi alam mo, bakit ako nabibless nung kinikwento ni Ma'am Regina kanina? Hindi nyo lang basta pinasok, hindi lang kayo basta nag-start, hindi lang kayo basta nag-step 1. You were able to gather 23 people. I mean, para i-share mo na siya, that means na-appreciate mo na. Curious po kami, ano po yung nakita ninyo, bakit gusto nyo rin siyang i-share?
So not only that it has the health benefits, nakita din namin that there's the camaraderie, the family setup, the teamwork na nagustuhan namin about JC Premier. So you can see here the antioxidant value of 25,500 as compared to kale, spinach, prunes, grapes.
Oh my.
So, kino-compare yung 25,500 from organic barley to 1,770 in kale, to 1,260 in spinach, to 5,770. Wow! You can see here that 7 times richer in vitamin C in oranges than in oranges, 6.5 times richer carotene in spinach. Health benefits, which that it helps fight against gallstone by reducing bile acid secretion. It helps lower blood cholesterol and glucose level. It helps reduce the risk of high blood pressure and heart attack. It helps reduce the risk of having anemia and fatigue. It helps reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. It helps strengthen bones and muscles, therefore reducing the risk of having osteoporosis. It helps to promote healthy digestive system by maintaining healthy colon to prevent colon cancer and other digestive
Ang galing.
diseases.
Ang galing!
I would share and someone purchased from me a box of the barley. Binibigyan ko talaga ng flyer so that they may be able to understand anong value ng binili nila from me. Explaining to them that this is organic barley, JC Organic Barley from New Zealand. It has 25,500 antioxidant value per 100 grams of organic barley. Ina, American, Caucasian, American Jewish, American Caucasian, Jamaican, Hispanic, Malaysian, American Italian, and Puerto Rican.
Wow! There are people here in Philippines, which is nandito yung company natin, nandito yung opisina, started here, and yet there are people na cannot recognize the opportunity. They cannot recognize the value of the product or the business. Na paano nangyari na there's a doctor and a lawyer from USA, from New York and Connecticut, di ba? Connecticut.
Perfect.
No? And we're hearing it straight from Doc.
So finally, I had my back-to-back picture with Ding.
Sinabi ni Doc ngayon, full of humility, defeating the doubts, defeating the excuses. If there's a person now na meron siyang pwedeng i-enumerate na reasons not to do this, it's Doc Celeste. She can say anything na mga excuse niya para hindi gawin. Schedules pa lang. And I know, I want to really focus on this. Marami pong tao dito, dream nyo ang makapunta sa US. Time iniisip mo, sana makapag-work din ako doon. Sana I can earn the earnings na kinikita ni Doc Ces. Sana I can be a doctor there. Sana maging ganun din yung buhay ko. And now, standing in front of me is somebody na pinapangarap mo yung buhay. Testifying kung gaano kaganda yung product at yung business. Doc, you wanna share something to us pa? Na, eto kasi, nabibless kami. You don't know kung gaano katindi yung inspiration, yung impact na binibigay mo for a Filipino na nag-start ng business dito, seeing your photos, hearing you now, ibang level. Kasi nakakatulong si Doc sa mga patients niya in US. Hindi mo alam, Doc, na nakakatulong ka ngayon by just simply sharing that to a lot of people here na, alam mo yun, this is the time for them na matulungan din yung iba through our products, through our business. And marami po dito mga young professionals or even seniors that they decided then na gawing business na po ito. Grabe po yung impact.
My mission here on earth is to spend my heaven doing good. So, isa na doon yung pagiging doktor. Pero liban sa pagiging doktor, I can do something more. And that's why I'm here standing in front of you, sharing everything that I could. Ngayon, pagiging aesthetic medicine specialist, it takes like beautification from outside in. But with JC Organic Barley, I can make you beautiful from inside out.
Doc Ces, maraming salamat.
Thank you.